All right, breaking news just coming in. 2 police inspectors have been suspended in connection with the Palghar case, and that's the latest coming in. This is the Palghar lynching case that we're talking about. Remember that this incident occurred when 3 men from Kandivali in Mumbai were headed towards Surat in a car to attend a funeral on Thursday night. The vehicle was stopped in Palghar district. The trio were dragged out of their car and beaten to death or lynched in a suspicion that they were thieves. And now the latest coming in this regard is that 2 police inspectors were suspended in connection with the Palghar lynching case. The Home Ministry has taken cognizance of this issue, and the Maharashtra government has ordered a high-level probe in this issue as well. Devyesh is joining us with the latest details right there. Devyesh, what is the latest that is coming in as far as the Palghar lynching case is concerned? 2 cops have been suspended. What is the apprehension?
Chetty, 2 police officers. One is the police station in charge of Kasa police station, under whose jurisdiction this incident happened on April 16th, and another is the second officer of the same police station, have been suspended now by the Inspector General of Police, Konkan Range of Maharashtra Police. It is also being said that earlier, a day before this lynching incident happened, same group of police officers were accompanying a doctor who were then again attacked by a group of villagers on the same stretch where this incident happened. Despite that, no preventive action was taken, no action was initiated on this particular stretch where villagers had been roaming out, acting upon rumors that there were some thieves or robbers roaming around in their area. This has led to lynching of 3 innocent persons who died on the night of 16th April. That's why this action is being taken.
All right, so Devyesh getting us... Yes, go ahead, sorry. Go ahead, Devyesh.
There's also a departmental inquiry that has been initiated on why police did not act, police did not take action on these particular villagers, how these rumors were being spread. That is also being investigated. Chetty?
All right, so investigation are on. Maharashtra government has advised for a high-level probe at the moment, and 2 inspectors have now been suspended. 100 accused arrested. The probe is currently on. This is the Maharashtra mob lynching horror that is coming in, and the Home Ministry has taken cognizance of this particular issue as well. Just to give you a sense of what is going on for our viewers who do not know what this story is about, the Maharashtra police is now conducting inquiry if there were any lapses by the cops in dealing with the mob lynching incident that happened in Maharashtra's Palghar. So far, over 100 people have been arrested for the gruesome lynching of 3 people. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also called up Uddhav Thackeray and requested him to take strict action against the culprits. 3 people were lynched by villagers in Palghar on 16th of April on the suspicion that they were thieves. Shocking visuals that are coming in show how angry villagers armed with sticks and stones have attacked a 70-year-old man who was begging for mercy, and the visuals are actually flashing across your screens at the moment. 2 of those killed are sadhus. The third was the driver of the car they were travelling in. They were headed towards Surat in a car to attend a funeral. The vehicle was stopped near a village in Palghar district. The trio were dragged out of their car and beaten to death.
ही पालघरला जी घटना झाली ही अतिशय दुर्दैवी घटना आहे. उच्चस्तरीय चौकशीची ती सुरुवात झालेली आहे, आणि ही संपूर्ण घटना झाली. ही संपूर्ण तो ट्रायबल बेल्ट आहे संपूर्ण, आणि याच्यामध्ये जवळजवळ 101 लोकांना अटक करण्यात आलेली आहे.
पालघर की मॉब लिंचिंग की घटना ये बहुत ही गंभीर है. जिस क्रूरता के साथ उनको मारा गया है, मानवता को भी शर्म आए इस प्रकार की ये क्रूरता है. और इसमें सबसे शर्मनाक बात यह है कि पुलिस के सामने इस प्रकार से भीड़ लोगों को मारती है. कहीं ना कहीं महाराष्ट्र में कानून व्यवस्था लचर हो गई है, कानून व्यवस्था दिखाई नहीं पड़ती.
कई वीडियो में तो ऐसा लग रहा है पुलिस वाले भीड़ के हवाले साधु सन्यासी कर रहे हैं. वो साधु पुलिस वालों को पकड़ने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, बाहर छुड़ा के भाग रहे हैं. मुझे लगता है कि हत्यारे तो दोषी हैं ही, पुलिस भी इसमें कम दोषी नहीं है. अब पुलिस कह रही है पुलिस वालों को भी चोट लगी है. एक्शन में तो कहीं कोई पुलिस वाला है नहीं, तो चोट कहां से लग गई? तो ये बहुत ही निंदनीय है. हम अपेक्षा करते हैं महाराष्ट्र की सरकार से, वहां के माननीय गवर्नर साहब से और केंद्र की सरकार से, माननीय गृह मंत्री जी से, जिन पर हिंदुस्तान का बहुत बड़ा विश्वास है कि अगर महाराष्ट्र सरकार इसमें सकारात्मक कार्रवाई नहीं करती, कठोर दंड की व्यवस्था नहीं करती, तो इसमें फिर केंद्र सरकार को हस्तक्षेप करना चाहिए।
Well, with that, it's a wrap from me, Chaiti Narula, on this bulletin. For further news and updates on coronavirus, do log on to indiatoday.in. You can also download our app. Stay home, stay alive.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.